So today is November 5th. It is also the last chance for Kanu to defend himself. I'm talking about Nnamdi Kanu. According to the Constitution of Nigeria, there's something called the right of fair hearing. If anybody accuse you, after the person don't judge the part finish, you have the right to defend yourself. Kanu has sacked his lawyers. Now him be your own personal lawyer now. By the Constitution, it's allowed. You can defend yourself in court. But they will look at you as a lawyer. So if you make mistake, we lawyer are not supposed to make the counter against you. And that right to defend himself, Kanu say not to defend himself. That there's no lawful allegation against him. The court don't tell us, say, today is the last chance for him. If he does not defend himself, let me play you this news.
Where the Federal High Court has given the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, till November the 5th to defend the alleged terrorism charges against him or waive his rights to do so.
Okay.
The presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, made this pronouncement after Mr. Kanu failed for the fourth day to enter his defense after the prosecution closed its case and the court overruled his no-case submission. Justice Omotosho said, should Mr. Kanu fail to open his defense on November the 5th, he will be deemed to have waived his right to do so. The court had on October the 27th this year adjourned till November the 4th for Mr. Kanu to either file his final written address or open his defense. At the day's proceedings, Mr. Kanu, who is conducting his case by himself, said he has not filed any final written address as ordered by the court, but filed a motion and a supporting affidavit. Mr. Kanu also said he will not enter any defense because he was convinced that there is no valid charge known to any extant law that is pending against him.
As well. Okay, so it's very simple. If he does not defend himself today, he will not have the right to do so again. The Constitution gives you the right to defend yourself. But now, if they give you opportunity to defend yourself and you not defend yourself, it's because probably you not get anything to defend yourself. Now, he filed something called a no-case submission, right? Which means federal government no get case. This rubbish they bring on does not make sense. But the court look at the case with federal government bring on, court say they get case. So better judge that case. Now, federal government don't judge that case. Finish Nnamdi Kanu, oh yeah, you defend yourself. Nnamdi Kanu say, I'm not defending myself. This case with the bring counsel don't make sense. Normal. Now, courts now go talk whether the case makes sense or not. Nnamdi Kanu was granted bail many years ago. Went to his house. Nigerian military went there to invade the house and he run. They call it say Jean bail. Is Jean bail or now go invade the house now he run? He's still standing his ground to say they come invade the house. So he ran for his life. Long story short, they declared him wanted. He was in Israel. I don't know what he called for Kenya. Now Nigeria pick him from Kenya. So people say na kidnappers, say not be arrest him. But yeah, he is. The truth is, when Nnamdi Kanu started fighting for the people of Biafra, he was not violent about it. Now microphone, it did they talk. How they declared him a violent terrorist is what we don't know. But today's the last day. Let's see what he would do. If he don't decide, say, he don't calculate, he don't look and say, whatever I say, these people, they want to send me to jail, about me, so I'm not saying anything. But that's where it's going to end up. The court will likely sentence him to jail if he does not defend himself. I wish this noise where Donald Trump they make about the Christians so that they buy for Nigeria. I wish they make camp for Nnamdi Kanu too. Hey, matter for those serious parts like that, but he's not making it for Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is not ready to defend himself. And he's that stubborn. If he say not to defend himself, he's not to defend himself. But later today, we'll see how far this matter has gone, you know. But if he doesn't defend himself, once in the show, they'll sentence him to prison.